An estimated 27 million people in our country do not have health insurance. Many of them have to choose between that and other necessities like food for their family or even putting a roof over their heads. So what do you do if you need health care but can't afford it? New at 6, Gulf Coast News Today anchor Lisa Spooner introduces us to one woman making it her mission to bring health care to the people who need it most.
Meet Dr. Deanie Singh. Life hasn't always been easy for her. The product of a single mother growing up in Jamaica.
Started with my mom. She was the first of 8 siblings, and she had to drop out of school to care for them. And she fell out of school at the 9th grade. And so she had my brother and I earlier on in life. And my dad left her.
When they were young, her brother suffered a traumatic brain injury.
My brother got hit when he was a child from a deranged man.
Her mother always felt like Deanie was going to be their way out of poverty.
So when I got pregnant in high school at 16, she was devastated. I remember seeing the anguish and the despair and the look on her face, saying like whatever hope was lost. And I remember that I was not going to fail her.
So when Deanie moved to the United States, she was motivated to become the best version of herself. She got her GED and then went to what is now FSW and received her nursing degree before going on to receive her master's in nursing and eventually becoming a doctor of nurse practitioner. For her thesis, Deanie envisioned a mobile clinic that she could bring to the underserved and underinsured communities. Then one day, as Deanie was working as a critical care nurse at Gulf Coast ICU, she met a young man who changed her life.
April of 2018, I met a young African-American who was 24 years old at the time, and I was called to admit him to the ICU for renal failure.
For 6 years, he had not seen a doctor.
I knew then that the mobile clinic that I wrote about could not wait until I retired. And I had to do it now instead of waiting until I was in retirement age when maybe I was too old to get anything done.
So she went onto eBay and bought herself a bus. Now the Premier Mobile Health Clinic travels around the Gulf Coast, providing much needed medical care to those who either can't afford it or who can't get to it. On this day, the mobile clinic was parked in Fort Myers near the Dunbar community. Kenneth Green lives nearby.
They brought the doctor to you right on Martin Luther King Boulevard.
He's a diabetic, and getting to a brick and mortar doctor's office is a challenge for him.
Sometimes it can be rough, but when here, you take care of all that in one shot.
Kenneth says Deanie and Premier Mobile have been a literal lifesaver for him.
Because eventually the way I was going, I would have been sick, been laying up in the hospital, then I'd have been running a big doctor's office, but I met Premier Mobile. I don't even like to go to the doctor's office. I love coming here.
If more extensive treatment is needed, Deanie partners with organizations like the United Way to provide imaging and surgical procedures at little to no cost for her patients. But she has lofty goals and aspirations for her mobile clinic.
My dream for Premier Mobile is that we would have sufficient funding where we do not have to charge.
But for now, Deanie says she provides more than just access to health care to the communities she serves.
And we provide the care that they need, the counseling, the love, and we bring hope to them.
Premier Mobile Health Services provides care for anyone of any age. As Deanie puts it, they treat from the womb to the tomb. If you would like to see where the mobile clinic is next, or if you would like to donate or help in any way, we've put a link up on our Gulf Coast News app. For Gulf Coast News, I'm Lisa Spooner.
This Saturday, Premier Mobile will be hosting 3 different breakfasts with Santa. They're all starting at 9. One is at Immokalee Community Park, goes until 11. 2 more in Lee County, one at the City of Palms Park, another at Cantina Laredo. The 2 in Lee County go until noon. For the one at Cantina Laredo, you need to pre-register. We put a link to do that on our Gulf Coast News app under News Links.